guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today we've got this Parkside bend pillar drill model PTBM 500E5. Power consumption of course is 500 watt. Rotation speed we've got 500 to 2500 RPM in 9 steps. Spindle is 0 to 50 millimeters. Chuck is B16 1.5 to 16 millimeters drill bits. Drilling table angle we've got minus 45 degrees to plus 45 degrees. 3 meters cable for drilling precise holes in wood, metal and plastic. 3 years warranty. Let's see more of the specs. Adjustable drilling depth includes scale. Twin belt drive with 9 adjustable drilling speeds. Height adjustable with adjustable drilling table angle on both sides with a graduated scale. 2 lasers for precision. Adjustable vise, practical lowering level with a spring return, durable induction motor, high quality drill chuck includes chuck key, hinged transparent chip guard, protected on-off switch and emergency stop button, safety shut-off when gear housing is open, steel base plate for a bench mounting. Nice all of that, and I think it's time to open it to see what we have inside, to assemble it and test it to see how it works. Now let's take it one by one out. And of course inside we're going to find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice. And the last we've got the motor, all the unit. And that is all the accessories included at the box, and it's time to starting the assembly. Take the column tube and the base blade. 3 screws. We will need these 3 screws. Start to tie them, you need the 14 key. Next we need the drilling bands inserted to the column tube. Tied it from here. For now. This drilling bench, you can rotate it, you can see here we've got from 0 to 45 degrees. You can rotate it left or right. To do that, of course, we've got a screw down here. And you need the key 19 to screw and unscrew. Tight it as well as you want. It is a little bit frustrating down there that got the screw. It is not so much convenient. But find the right place, let's say 20, and screw it. We will leave it at 0 now. Next I'm going to install the vise. Goes here. And we need these 2 screws. Same and from the other side. Now you can install it here or here, it depends how you want to work. We've got the chuck jowls. Nice. And we need the 70 key to tight it enough. I will leave it just like that for now. Maybe I will do some adjustments. And I think now it is time to install the motor. It goes here. Okay, hits motor. There is a screw here, you need to unscrew it. And that end will go directly up there. Now let's rotate that. And then with the Allen key included inside, you need to tie this Allen key to be very tight at the column of the motor. Okay. 3 meters of cable. Long enough, and plug it in wherever you want. Next we can install this huge drill chuck that it can accept from 1.5 to 16 millimeters drill bits. Goes here. And next we've got this laser kit on-off switch. Inside you can install the batteries. Very easy. 2 3A batteries included at the box, and the laser is on. And you need to install it here. There is a hole here, this screw insert here, and you will find the right place. Find this Phillips screwdriver. At the right place, very tight. Find the right place because it needs to be very precise alignment to have accurate results when you're drilling. And of course, if you turn it on, adjustments they can be made from 1 and 2 screws here to find the right place. Here you can see I'm adjusting the laser and moving the 2 beams, and you need to find the center. We will see that when I'm going to drill a wood or metal. Next we've got these 3 drill lifting arms for the hand spindle guide. We need to install them here. And here you've got the locking screw for the depth stop. You can adjust it. It goes from 0 to 55. And it depends where you're going to adjust it, it will stop. And here we've got an Allen screw. You can unscrew it and reveal inside to make some adjustments with a belt to have more rotation. And here it is, the twin belt drive with 9 adjustable drilling speeds. It is from 500 to 2500 RPM. Now to make these adjustments, just release the screw. It is for the motor. You can see it has some tension. And then from the other side, we've got this lever, and you can see it performs some tension, and you can release the belt and adjust to other speed. And again, you can take this out. And you can adjust to other speed here, and then the same here, adjust it And then you can lock it by just pulling with this lever that I show you and screw this very tight to hold the motor in place. And then you've got other speed. And the adjustment that I made, it is the C position and the second position in this motor. That means C and second, it is in 1100 RPM. And there is the adjustments that you can do. And that's how you will have more speed, more RPM from your motor to work at your wood or at the metal if the job needs that. And here you can see we've got a safety switch. There's a safety switch. If you're gonna open that, it will stop automatically the motor if it's working. And close it and screw it back on. I think it's very easy to adjust and change the RPM of the motor. And there is a plastic holder for the chuck key and for your Allen key. Very nice. Not going to lose them. And we've got this safety device to install it here. The plastic to protect your eyes. Take the chuck out. Insert it here. Open, close. And then insert it on the chuck. Now from the other side we've got the on-off switch, the emergency stop switch, rotate and open. Now at the base we've got 4 holes. You can permanently screw it at your place, wherever is suitable for you. Now, if you don't want to use the drilling bends, you want only the vise, you can take out the vise and screw it at the base. If you've got a larger object and you need to have more space between the chuck and the base. Well guys, that was the unboxing and the assembly for this bend pillar drill. In my next video I will do the testing because this video is too long, and in my next video I will do the testing to see how it works. I will drill on a metal, on a wood, different type of drill bits, and we can see how we can manage to have a precise drilling at the wood or at the metal. Now if you're interested to buy this bend pillar drill, it costs about 80 euros. I think the price is very good for the things that it can do. Of course we're gonna find out together if it is good or not. You can have it at your workspace and work at the right time that you want. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.